where red wine meets Renaissance. Welcome to Tuscany. Tuscany isn't just a place, it's a love story you live. Bathed in golden light, wrapped in vineyard breezes, and kissed by the flavors of bold red wine, every moment feels like magic. Start in Florence, where art breathes in every corner. Gaze at Michelangelo's David, stand beneath the mighty Duomo, and let sunset paint the city in hues of wonder. Head to Siena, where medieval charm meets high-energy tradition. When the Palio horse race thunders through the piazza, the whole city holds its breath. Sip your way through the Chianti vineyards, where every glass tells a story, and every vineyard view feels like a dream. Meet the makers, toast to La Dolce Vita, and taste Tuscany's soul. Escape to the countryside, where stone villas, starry nights, and slow living invite you to breathe deeper and linger longer. Then there's the Val d'Orcia, a real-life painting of cypress-lined roads, rolling hills, and postcard towns like Pienza and Montalcino. Tuscany doesn't say goodbye. It leaves you with sun-kissed skin, red-stained lips, and a whisper. Until next time, dreamer. Good vibes only.